Tonight, we're going to let the gentle power of healing music carry you far away from the grip of sleepless nights. You don't need to force anything. You don't need to worry about when sleep will come. The sounds you hear will soften your thoughts, relax your body, and lead you step by step into the deepest rest you've known in a long time. This is your time to release the weight you've been holding, to give your mind and body the space they've been craving. All you need to do is get comfortable, let the music wrap around you, and allow each note to guide you closer to calm. So settle in, close your eyes if you wish, and take a slow, deep breath in, and let it go. Tonight, sleeplessness ends, and deep, healing rest begins. Now that you've made the choice to be here, let the rest of the world fade slowly, like the last colors of the sunset melting into night. You've carried enough for today, and now you can set it all down. Feel the surface beneath you fully supporting your body so you no longer have to hold yourself up. Let your head sink into the pillow, your neck releasing all the tension it has been holding. Allow your jaw to loosen, your lips to part slightly, your tongue to rest softly. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, the muscles there melting as if warmed by gentle sunlight. That release flows down into your arms, past your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way to your hands. Your fingers relax, open, and rest naturally. Notice the gentle rhythm of your breath. Without effort, it begins to slow, becoming deep and steady. With every inhale, you are breathing in peace. With every exhale, you are letting go of the weight you've been carrying. Let your chest rise and fall in this calm rhythm. Feel your stomach soften and your hips sink more deeply into the mattress. Your legs grow heavier, your knees loose, your calves relaxed. Your feet rest naturally, every muscle letting go, even the smallest ones in your toes. The music in the background is not just something you hear, it begins to wrap around you, flowing through you, creating a cocoon of sound that holds you. You are safe here. You are supported here. With each breath, you are moving further away from the busy energy of the day and closer to the stillness that waits for you tonight. As you rest here, feel how the music flows around you like a soft tide, moving in and out, steady and unhurried. Each note seems to touch a different part of you, loosening something you didn't even realize was tight. If a thought drifts in, let it pass like a small boat floating gently down a river. You don't need to climb aboard, you don't need to stop it, just watch it move until it's gone. Let your awareness return to the weight of your body, fully supported from head to toe. Your face is completely relaxed now, the space between your eyebrows smooth, your eyelids heavy but comfortable. Your neck is loose, your shoulders free of strain. Your arms rest naturally, your hands warm and open. Your back feels released, no longer working to hold you upright, every muscle melting into the surface beneath you. Your hips feel anchored, your thighs loose, your knees at ease. Your calves are soft, your feet still and warm. Even your toes have surrendered to rest. The air feels just right, neither too warm nor too cool, surrounding you like a gentle blanket. The quiet between the sounds and the music feels as comforting as the music itself, giving you space to sink deeper into peace. You are right at the edge now, where the waking world starts to blur and the pull of sleep begins to take over. There's nothing you need to resist, nothing you need to hold on to. Just let the music and your breath carry you forward, slowly and effortlessly, into the next part of your journey tonight. Now that your body is loose and heavy, and your breath is moving in a slow, steady rhythm, You're ready to drift into the deeper layers of rest. Imagine you are standing at the beginning of a quiet path that winds through a serene forest. The air is cool and carries the scent of pine and fresh earth. Above you, the trees form a gentle canopy, their leaves swaying softly in a breeze that hums in harmony with the music you hear now. You take your first step, and the ground beneath your feet feels soft, cushioned with moss and fallen leaves. Each step you take seems to draw the tension out of your body, letting it sink into the earth where it disappears. The sounds of the outside world grow distant, replaced by the faint rustle of leaves and the calm rhythm of the night. You notice a soft glow ahead, warm and inviting. As you walk toward it, the forest seems to grow quieter, the air more still, as if the world is holding its breath just for you. You arrive at a small clearing, where the glow comes from a pool of still water reflecting the moonlight above. You walk closer, and as you kneel beside it, you see the reflection of the stars shimmering on the surface, perfectly clear, perfectly still. You dip your hand into the water, and the coolness spreads through you, washing away the last traces of restlessness. You sit at the water's edge, feeling the ground hold you steady, the music blending with the silence until there's no separation between them. Each breath you take now is a step deeper into stillness, deeper into the space where sleep is no longer something you chase, it's something you're already in. You remain at the edge of the water, feeling as though the quiet here has seeped into every part of you. The surface of the pool is so still that the stars above seem to rest upon it, their light steady and calm. You watch as a soft ripple moves outward, slow and gentle, and you realize it came from your own breath. That connection between you and the still water feels grounding, as if the calm in front of you is the same calm that's beginning to live inside you. You lie back on the soft grass beside the pool, the earth beneath you firm yet welcoming, holding you without effort. The music blends perfectly with the gentle night sounds, becoming one continuous hum that wraps around you. Your breath matches it without you even trying, each inhale pulling in the cool, peaceful air, each exhale letting go of any last traces of wakefulness. The stars above seem to grow brighter, their light washing over you like a soft tide, until you can feel it in your skin, your muscles, even in your heartbeat. Time feels slow here, almost as though it has stopped entirely, giving you the space to sink fully into this moment. You no longer feel where your body ends and the earth begins. You are part of the stillness, part of the night, part of the infinite quiet. Dreams begin to form at the edges of your awareness, not as stories yet, but as colors, shapes, and sensations that carry no urgency, only ease. You allow them to come closer, to wrap around you like another blanket, and as they do, you feel yourself drift deeper into the pure, uninterrupted embrace of deep sleep. Now that you have drifted fully into deep sleep, your body begins its quiet, natural work of renewal. Each slow inhale pulls fresh oxygen into your lungs, sending it through your blood to every cell, feeding your muscles, your skin, and your mind. Each exhale releases what you no longer need, clearing away the weight of the day. Your heart beats in a calm, steady rhythm, sending comfort and life through you. Imagine now that in the center of your chest, there is a warm golden light, steady and soft, radiating in all directions. With each breath in, this light grows brighter, and with each breath out, it spreads further. It moves into your shoulders, melting away the stiffness that has built up over time. It flows down your arms into your hands, loosening your fingers until they are soft and open. The light travels upward into your neck and head, smoothing away any remaining tension, quieting even the smallest flickers of thought. It moves through your back, releasing the strain from every muscle and into your stomach, calming and balancing it. From there, it flows into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet, until your entire body is bathed in its gentle glow. This light is not just warmth, it is your body's own healing energy, awakened and free to move without any barriers. As it spreads, it repairs and restores, bringing you back into balance. At the same time, your mind is quietly sorting through the day, keeping what is important, letting go of what no longer serves you. You are safe here. You are whole here. You are exactly where you are meant to be, resting in the peace that allows true healing to happen. As the golden light continues to flow gently through you, it moves with the same slow rhythm as your breath, expanding and brightening as you inhale, settling deeper into every part of you as you exhale. It finds the places you didn't even realize were holding on to tension. Small muscles in your back, the curve of your neck, the soles of your feet, and it soothes them with warmth. It lingers in your shoulders, dissolving the invisible burdens you've carried throughout the day. It travels along your spine, releasing the tightness that has quietly built up over time. It rests in your stomach, loosening any knots left behind by worry or strain. It flows through your legs, bringing a deep, grounding heaviness, not fatigue, but the secure, anchored feeling of complete release. As your body restores itself, your mind is also healing. Thoughts that once felt tangled are unraveling on their own, gently falling into place or drifting away entirely. Worries lose their shape, their weight, and their hold on you. The silence around you feels alive, a soft presence holding you, assuring you that you are safe. Time has no meaning here. There is no past to review, no future to prepare for, only the comfort of this moment, stretched out like an endless horizon. The golden light within you is not something new. It has always been there. Tonight, you have given it the stillness it needs to move freely, to heal, to bring you back into harmony with yourself. It will continue to work quietly as you sleep, making sure you wake with a lighter body, a clearer mind, and a calmer heart. For now, you can stay here, letting the night and this light care for you completely. You are here now, completely embraced by the stillness of the night, your body warm and heavy, your mind quiet and open. The golden light within you continues to flow gently, but you no longer need to focus on it. It will keep working as you drift deeper. The music has softened into the background, blending seamlessly with the silence, becoming part of the air around you. Your breath is steady, smooth, and unhurried, each inhale pulling you deeper into rest, each exhale releasing any trace of wakefulness. The day is far behind you now, its noise and weight unable to reach you here. Everything is soft. Your muscles, your thoughts, even the space inside your chest where tension once lived. You are safe here. You are cared for here. Let the edges of your awareness fade as dreams begin to form, not as urgent stories, but as gentle colors and shapes that will carry you through the night. You don't have to follow them. You don't have to guide them. Just allow them to take you further into sleep. Let yourself sink completely now, trusting the night to hold you until morning returns with light, clarity, and calm. Sleep isn't coming, it's already here, wrapping you in its quiet embrace. If tonight's music and words have helped you let go of sleeplessness and find the deep rest your body and mind have been longing for, I'd be honored to have you return here whenever you need peace. Let this be your safe corner of the night, a place where you can always come back to release the day and drift easily into healing sleep. If you'd like more nights like this, you can subscribe to this channel so we can continue this journey together. And if you know someone who might be lying awake right now, wishing for the same comfort you feel in this moment, share this with them so they too can find rest. For tonight, there is nothing left to do. Just let the night hold you, let your dreams keep you, and remember that you are safe, cared for, and never alone on this path to rest. Sleep well, my friend.